Hi, this is Doreen Velin from YouTube. I don't know if you're able to get out and about today, but if you're not and you're stuck indoors, come join me. I'm going on a little walkabout, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's almost the end of November, and it's probably about 60 degrees out here Fahrenheit. So, and we're in Canada. Yes, those of you from United States think that we're all about snow here, but we're not. And this is more Western Canada, so we don't get the cold as quickly as back east. But we're in the Okanagan Valley, which is a very semi-desert area. So I'm just going to take you on a little walkabout. Some cows here in the field. I'm just going to show you some cows. I think I can get a peek of them here through the trees. Nice black Angus. Ooh, steak's coming up. Let's go for the walk. Okay. So, yeah, if you can't get out and about, we have a lot of maples here. Not the kind that you can get maple syrup from. The different kind of maples we have out west here than back east. And a lot of cottonwood, aspen, and a lot of deciduous trees. Oh, and there's a birch over there. Nice white birch tree. It's a nice picture. Beautiful picture. Yeah, so let's just walk along the road here. We seem to be in the flight path. Little estuary over here. Ducks are having a bit of a heyday today. Look at them. They're out there having fun. Isn't that lovely? There they are. There they are. Those are mallards, which the males are brilliant, brilliant emerald green heads on them. I'll sit here and watch the ducks for a minute. Okay, just watch the ducks. There you go. Get a little noisy. Get a little noisy. It's a nice little estuary. It's tucked. We have like a land freeze. It's called ALR in our area, which protects farming and orchardists and wineries from being attacked by developers who want to put in condos. So developers don't like me saying that, but it's true. I think we have to protect our food sources. And so the city bought 3 farms and to protect the estuary, keep the water clean. So it's a nice park now, and just walk along it. This is the road here. Well, let's take you down the road. Might be a little bumpy because I'm walking with you. So I hope you don't get land sick. Sort of like seasick, I guess, but yeah, I hope I can be nice and steady for you. I don't have one of those gyro things, so I'm just doing this all by hand. But this is pretty along here. You can see the cows a little bit better now through the trees. Where are they here? Let's find them. There they are. There they are. Let's get them a bit better here. So a bench here, somebody has dedicated this in memory of somebody. What have they got here? What does it say? It says, enjoy nature and its beauty. Remember with love, Connie and Stacy. Van Steldwinen, probably. A little bit like that. Probably screwed it up. But isn't that lovely? It's a nice place to sit and relax. I think that's new. I haven't seen this here before. Very nice. Let's walk along, see the trees. Now you can see the cows. Moo cow, moo cow. Come out, come out. Let me see you, moo cow. Oh, they got a white face. One's got a white face. I don't know if that's Black Angus or the white face. You might want to tell me that yourself. I'm not too up on my cows. But there's one that's all black, so it must be Black Angus. Yeah, so thank you for joining me on this little walkabout.